Lap 1, starting stadium trucks. Okay, we got Jim out front, followed by Tony, followed by Sean. These can be some really nice tight races.
Four minutes left.
Oh, on the landing. Oh! Belly to belly. Woo! Got that on tape. He bounced right off his tires and his chassis. That was amazing. He landed off the jump on him and bounced off and kept going. Pretty cool.
Minutes left.
Nice. Getting some good laps in. Everybody getting ready to roll. Last race of the night. Here comes Jim down the straight. Taking the corner nice and tight. Around the big jump. Over the box. Big double. Down that. Another jump. Over the roller. Through the tight swirl. All the way around the swirl. Down the fast straight. Down the other straight. And then through the tight section. Sorry about the jerkiness of the camera. I gotta oil the tripod. It's sticking.
2 minutes left.
Hey Bert. What great racing. Oh, Tony on lap. Coming in, let's see Tony. Nice and tight. Coming around with speed, down the straight. Makes the turn, nice and tight. Going around that box jump. Step down, big double. That's a big double. It's the biggest double we've had in a long time. Another jump, over the roller, through the swirl. Coming down fast straight, down the straight, and that's a lap. Nice, Tony. Let's go back over to our leader. Here's Jim. Out front, down the step down, nice tight turn, over the big double. Everybody's ripping. Here he comes, flying down. Man, Jim's having a smooth race tonight. Great night for Jim. Except for his whole front tire coming off. Wow, 17-17. So everybody's really close. Like, it looks like there's gaps, but they're within seconds of each other. Like, you know, right now Jim's gaining up on Tony. He's just got a smooth line. He's just very consistent. Look at how tight he is. Oh, see how tight he was through the swirl? Let's see if I can get that again, if he does it again. See how tight? Look at how tight he is in this turn. Big double, and let's see how he is in the swirl this time.
Race is over.
Tight. See how tight that was? That was insane. Nice
Jim, you got
finish.
race over. Jim, you got first for 21. Tony with 20 for second. Sean with 19 for third. That's it.
Great
Make
night.
sure you clean your pit area, including the floor around it, please. See you next Tuesday. Again, no drone racing. I think they're done. So on Saturday, if you come, I would still give a call.